Kasoa for SA. I was say NDC MP now call your ebepa eye Kasoa for acho and afi nso ne mame eye Mavis Hawa Koomson, former member of parliament at the Ewotu Senior East and afi nso former minister for eye fisheries. I almost say in someone now call your e kan de to eye mame Mavis Hawa Koomson eso ande abada bontin pefe say na insimo kato ne so nyina no na ntro ye na adana no kra bia enim no ade as a person mo gini tum as the member of parliament e de ma Kasoa ene ne petemu na afi they have respect for her as the member of parliament. The best thing about me ayen say baba bontin na be ka cho ma me ne say mpacho me ye so say me twa ntro to wo so ma nyi ne yi fa che me na e ba sa so de a omo nso omo de be che no omo say Hawa Koomson eni say of force ne ho say ma me ne be pa na cho but ma me ne ka say obi a se be play as na adwen mu do na onim nyansa de a omo ka say be sorry aba be pa cho we yen nsam wa Kasoa for dia to dua with interview any omo eyeye medin e the promise hanom e Ghana Nsem TV ye ko nko tie nsam a interview a ne Kasoa for ye ne nsam omo de to dua de wi a ba be kire adwen e wo
obepa Ghana fo nyina acho na obepa Kasoa fo nso nyina de e cho na yo no so ye gini tum se oye mpi wo Kasoa ha se wa mepa cho de a edu abato a enya de obi betimi ato abaye den ama no san se wo ye mpi na otwanto etu unyonko so a ebe de na ye hu se wo bebu Kasoa ha ye na be no kra na dedi na koyo hu se ade oye ye no wa nye mi ye di a ene wa sa mpa Ghana fo nyina acho ese ye ma me no ono ye obatan na odonipa enti onye sa de no the SCD die na ne ka say the SCD die was say nko be pa cho but so fa na ye say your force ni pa say o me pa cho nti onu anka say hwe ni mu no hu say de wa yi Kasoa fo bone since your original Kasoa name or parliament is so who say Kasoa fo bone nti o say me na me pa Kasoa fo che o de Kasoa so e ready say e be gina tu na obe ye che o pa na ye den abrey e hwe de onu anka sa on pa ye ma me cho ye mama de ni papa wo ye ni papa asem si ye no ye na ye sun ese se ye mama on timi nyi se awudie no nti se ne mama ko yo no ana no muto no wa kasa ente sade a on pa ye mama cho asumje ne ye na ye hwehwe
nti se nsam a eye Kasoa market women any market men e de to dwana me no kokoshe bae no na eno achi no ye ne nkofo bi so edi nkomo a omo so mo kan nsem bi gu yasum say me can chire Ghana man any area nyina omo say they know say they are a member of parliament currently ya maame eye na koyo obi a on kanokre but they never knew say obetimi etwantro to this extent omo nim say obetimi etwantro to this extent even though no omo nim say on kanokre omo nim say otimi twantro but no omo nim say obetimi fabricate story say e dey atu nipa so. Now the SRN say almost your monty as ye DNT or sample nya kokudro ba bontin eye say obi defending no after so no nkasa ni nwia o ye MP sanso ye interior minister ebe exposing or intro otwa e de Ghana for in the 2024 general elections obekaya on the very day to aba no or tweet on the Facebook wall say Hawa Koomson tried to buy her na fe no sanso ekum eye ni agent mi no. This was the reporter Odi kan edit bab on ten so ema TV3 any onua TV sa media general another yes media general stations me no interview na osanso esi super say ampa omo tutuo me ensa bone car ne mu ema ne agent me no eden FM eduwoye. This was a very reckless statement I free in one by because this thing ebetimi akose eye ntokwa e wo man ne mu. Now, after 11 months down the lane, your own government is in power, and your own interior minister was also a member of parliament. Munyamu feel the same caucus, the same political party. About one thing, when they asked you about this issue, okay, say nothing like that. Bibi Sabi and one more. You said it yourself. So the people of Kasoa say, I should ask you a very simple question. The reason why you lied to them in the first place. They want to know. The reason why you lied to them. They want to understand the reason why as the member of parliament. Okay, sometimes we are a member of parliament, and sometimes now you're parliament candidate. Our person will lead the constituency, and it was like you are acting a war film. And so we yes idea we are. Now then I will expect to say NC our constituency anymore. Then I will expect say NC our constituency anymore. No, it's very, very bad. The fact that we have people almost defending them. No, it's mind busting. Honestly speaking. Because let me tell you something you need to understand about this whole situation. What are you actually defending? That's the question I've been asking myself all this time. Like those trying to defend. What are you trying to defend? I want to understand. Like, what are you defending? Are you defending the fact that the person admitted, say, oh yeah, so we can throw the Chile for one? I don't know what is wrong with some of you people, but the fact that you try to defend everything shows how ignorant and useless and foolish are we. I'm telling you on authority. Because the person now, no, I didn't find her. Aba Bontia catch her say, whatever she said on that very day, and you're not correct. And you're not correct. It's very sad, bro. It's very sad. But you know, she needs to do the needful, right? She needs to go and apologize to them. That's why.
We had hope. Ghanaians had faith. They believed in our brothers in opposition, thinking that within the shortest possible time, Galamsey will be a thing of the past. What do we see today? It is even aggravating. I will never blame the NDC government. I want to be a good citizen. But I'm asking them first to apologize to us and Ghanaians for lying to us. Mr. Speaker, the deception, the propaganda, the lies you told Ghanaians. Let us all understand the fact that some of these issues must be given the needed national attention, devoid of politics, because it's destroying us. Let's work on our mindset revolution, change the way we use propaganda in deceiving Ghanaians because of political capital. It's extremely important. Mr. Speaker, having said this, I would like to also appeal to all relevant stakeholders, especially our chiefs. Mr. Speaker, some of our chiefs are behind it. They sell these pieces of land to the Galamsey boys. I'm also appealing to the security agencies. Former President, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, in good faith, set up a task force. They went into the bush. What happened? I'm sure His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, in good faith, is doing everything that he can, setting up the same task force. They will go in there and the story will not change. Why? Because if somebody travels like 2 hours, goes deep into the bush, in the forest, how can you have control over them? So I think it is a national issue that all of us should stop the politicization and begin to confront this together. NDC and people should come together and deal with those who are engaging in these antisocial behaviors. It's costing us economically. Already we have fiscal space confronted with a lot of challenges. We are, however, using the Russian budget we have as a country, addressing these things. People are dying. Biologically, we are not even sure what we eat, what it contains, whether they contain hard metals or not. It's not an issue to play with. It's not an issue to laugh about because you end this MPP. But it is a national issue.